This is the string art tutorial for the Heart Kids Kit by String Art by Kaale. You will need the string art kit, a pair of scissors, and adult supervision is recommended. Your string art kit will look like this. The nails will already be hammered into the board. You'll have a bundle of the yarn color of your choice and a business card. Go ahead and lay them out as shown. Taking the yarn bundle, you'll want to grab the string that's around that center and start pulling it to unravel it. This will be the end that we start with. The first thing that we'll do is make a little loop in the yarn to act like we're tying a knot. Just do as shown up in the air. You will then take that loop and tie it onto that center point nail at the top. You will then want to make sure that you push that knot all the way down to the base of the nail. After tying that knot, we are going to go ahead and give our heart an outline as shown. I like to loop around that bottom center nail as well to help anchor the yarn. And then you'll continue back up, finishing your outline. And just like after tying the knot on that first nail, we're going to make sure that we push the yarn all the way down to the base of the nails. This will be an important step to do throughout the entire stringing process. And now comes the time that we start filling in the heart layer by layer. This step is super simple. You're just going to go back and forth within the heart, tying around the nails, making sure that you're pushing your yarn down as you go. With string art, it's nice because there's not a certain way you have to do it. You can just jump all over in any direction that you want to fill this in. You can fill in as much or as little as you want. You'll just want to leave a little bit of yarn left at the end so we can add another outline. Other than that, string away and have fun. Once you are finished with your layers, you'll go ahead and add a quick outline to your heart. This will be the same as before, but keep it on the top of your layers. Looping around that center point and back down. To tie off, I'll stretch out my string, grab my scissors, and I cut it with about 4 or 5 inches left. I do this to make it easier for us to tie off. Just like with that first knot, I like to just make a little loop in our yarn and then tuck that loop onto the nail. And you'll just pull the end tight and it's knotted. I will then just take my scissors, cut the yarn with about 1 inch or so left, and then I'll just take that little end and tuck it into the layers with my scissors. Being very careful not to push too hard and break the yarn. And just like that, you have a finished string art piece. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and keep an eye out for more kits and tutorials. Thank you for watching.